If you want your drawing to look like this or this, you need your base to look like this. In this video, I'll be showing you the basics to help you set the foundation for your drawing. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you guys would like to see more, please comment below. Let's get started. First, we're going to go around in a circular motion to get the desired head shape. Split that circle in half with a vertical line. Now split the circle in fourths with a horizontal line. Now draw a parallel horizontal line, which will be the jaw, and draw another for the chin. Connect the circle to the jawline on one side and the other side. Now connect the line for the jaw to the line for the chin. At this point, you have your completed head shape. Now all you have to do is round out your lines and form your chin. For me, I like to round out a little bit under the chin line because it gives me my desired shape. Here we are drawing the neck. Draw another parallel horizontal line inside the circle. Draw another line in between those parallel lines. The line in the middle is a guide for ear placement. I usually stop my ears just above the jawline. For the eyes, you're going to draw 3 ovals in between the 2 parallel lines. Draw ovals for the nose and mouth as well. Okay, I decided to separate the facial features so that you guys can see it more. So for the eyes, we're going to start with 3 ovals. Draw a line on both outer corners of the middle oval. That will help you later. At this point, you can start drawing your eye shape following the oval. I don't particularly have a measurement for iris placement. I really just look at how far I draw one from the inner corner and try to match that up on the other side. Using the lines that you drew on the outside of your middle oval, you can start drawing your eyelid line. If the pupil placement is a little bit difficult for you, I suggest leaving your iris blank and doing an ombre look at the end, like this. For me, I usually draw an eyebrow guideline, and when I'm doing my rendering process, I add in the individual lines for hairs. Now I'm putting down the step that you guys previously learned so that you can see what it looks like on my head. The 2 parallel vertical lines connecting the eyes to the nose is a guide showing how wide your nose will be. Now we're on to the nose. Start with your oval. Draw a boomerang or parentheses line on both sides of the oval. Draw 2 more parentheses lines curving down center. Now draw a slightly curved horizontal line to connect the 2 nostrils. Same as before, I'm showing you what it looks like on my head. Now we're on to the lips, starting with the oval. First, split the lips horizontally, then split them vertically. Draw your cupid's bow however you like, and then using the oval as a guide, draw out your lip shape. I like to draw slanted lines going inward for more of a pouty look. Curve the center upwards if you want to achieve the pouty lips. For the bottom lip, do the same as you did for the top lip, just a slight curve. Okay, now I'm adding it on my head so you guys can see what it should look like. Here I'm adding a few extra details that I taught you guys previously. I decided I wanted to bring my nose down more. Lastly, we can get started on the ears. We're going to start off by drawing a parallel line just under the top line of the ear. Draw a connected line to the side of the ear. Draw a line for the earlobe. Now draw a rounded out triangle connected to the head. Okay, you guys can add in your extra details. This is the end of the base tutorial. Here's the finished product. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more, please like and subscribe.